reliance on hydropower stations. Thanks to China's experience on our Three Gorges Dam project, the two countries can also deepen cooperation on solar, wind, and biopower and other renewable energy sources. Besides, China is developing technologies that process coal and crude oil, and Pakistan has a fair amount of coal reserves, so we've got huge potential in this area as well. This is Nawaz Sharif's first foreign trip since assuming office last month. For CRI, more on Sino-Pakistani ties. CRI's Dong Cheng-Brown spoke earlier with Riaz Hussain Khokar, the former Pakistani Foreign Secretary. He's suggesting there's a lot more to do when it comes to trade and economic cooperation between the two sides. Trade and economic cooperation in two areas where we can do much more. The sky is the limit. But there are problems. Problems are on one side, problems are on Pakistan's side. As you know, for the last 2-3 years, we're going through a very difficult period. Our industry is very badly affected. We have this energy crisis. Then on top of that, we have a very serious internal problem dealing with terrorism. So every day, every second day, you hear there's a bomb blast here, a bomb blast there. So we are very preoccupied at the moment. But let me say that our Prime Minister, Foreign Prime Minister, Mr. Nawaz Sharif, he is coming to China in the first week of July for a board, and he will be meeting the new Chinese leadership. In fact, your own Prime Minister was in Pakistan a few weeks ago, and I think they've already had some very good discussions on how to develop Pakistan-China relations on the economic front, particularly trade and economic cooperation, on joint ventures, on infrastructure. There are so many areas that Pakistan and China can explore. But you see here, let's say it's a dance, and in this dance, China is a senior partner, a main partner. So we're trying to adjust how we can benefit greatly from China's economic plans, economic progress, and I must say, as a former ambassador of Pakistan to China, where somebody who's dealt with China since 1974, it has been a great experience dealing with China. The newly elected Pakistani Prime Minister is going to visit China. Do you have any information about the purpose, what he wants to achieve, what he will be trying to see? He has just been elected. And when your Prime Minister visited Pakistan recently, he had not yet been in power. He was elected but had not come into power. So there